Hi guys, so today I have this cute set from Spellbinders' new Out and About collection to share with you. I already did a whole unboxing of the items that I received for that collection, and so I will link that video in the description box. It's along with, I believe, my Scout review tutorial, unboxing, all that kind of good stuff. So these items were sent free of charge for my review, and of course all opinions are my own. Any links down in the description box will be affiliate links, which means I'll make a small commission if you purchase items through those links. So thank you for using those if you would like. Today I have Luna, the Seahorse, and then I have the Happy Birthday Wishes sentiments. It's, one set like this. It has the lettering, and then it has the shadow or background layer for it. The letters are all separate, which actually with this one you can probably create all kinds of other words, right? Just with the letters. But anyway, I will be trying this out, and I think for this one I'm just gonna use the happy. I think that's really cute. Maybe like a pair of seahorses just just hanging out. I think that'd be really fun. So just to get right to it, I described this already in the other video, but in case you haven't seen it, and maybe you just want to check out this one, we have our seahorse. We have the, and hopefully you can see on my grid about sizing, right? This is 1 inch every 4. So there you go. She has her little accent piece, like that little tail. I don't know if it's a fin. What do you call that? I guess I don't know seahorse anatomy well enough. But we do have a little eye and like the little cheek area here for you. Some seaweed, some coral, a little starfish, and then like little rocks, I suppose. So I'm just going to grab some paper. I'll probably make an A2 size card. That's typically what I do. And so we'll get that going, and I will be right back. Okay, so I already made an A2 size card base, which if you're making your own, that would be 8.5 by 5.5. Ooh, little scored at 4 1/4. And then I just have some blue cardstock here that I'll use for my background, so I'm just cutting that down to 5 3/8 by 4 1/8 because that is my preferred sizing. Oh, you know what that is? When I did my review tutorial of the Scout the other day, there was I used a, what's that called? A steel roll die, and it was new, so some of the little foam from that is hanging around here for some reason. Okay. And we're going to do some kind of embossing or stenciling on this just to, bring it to life. So I will be right back. Okay guys, so I have this embossing folder from June of 2023. You guys, it's over a year old. And it's just very cute with the little water, so I'm going to run this through that. And I will be right back. And let's check this out. So pretty. Oh my gosh. Just gorgeous. Okay, and both sides are really pretty, but I think I'll go ahead and use the emboss side. So I'm just going to glue that down, and we'll go from there. Okay guys, we'll put that to the side, and I'm just going to make some fun colors of seahorses. Obviously we can look and be more accurate, but I think this is sweet. So I'm going to cut one out of this lighter purple, and then the little fin portion here out of the darker purple. I'll do the same thing with this one. So a light pink body, and then like a little hotter or brighter pink little area here. Seaweed, I'm going to run it through some different colors of green. I just grabbed one. Oh, here's another one here. So I'll just run that through a few times and have some little seaweeds. Coral, I love coral colors, so I'll probably run this through some coral colors, maybe some, I don't know, something else that kind of contrasts with these things. So some fun colors. Okay, maybe some orange or something, right? We have little rocks, run them through whatever you like a few times. And then the little eye portion. So I'll probably just run this through black and pink just to have those. And that's it. Okay, so I will be right back. As far as that, then we'll do our sentiment. Just ran through as many things that would fit. I love that these, they're 3x9, so you have a lot of space to put quite a few things. But I just had a couple things at the end here. So let's get these guys. And I have one little rock. Okay, I will say for our little characters, you can definitely run through the eye portion or like the decorative portion for the eye a couple of times, because then you can get an eye color. But then I thought, well, like this one, whoopsie, the pink kind of stayed there, you know, this didn't fall out. So what I'm gonna do is put a little piece of tape, yay, from our old kits. I have lots of this. And I'm just going to keep that piece there, at least for the eye, but if they both stay, that's fine. Just gonna pop that in there. Otherwise you would pop those pieces out, like on this guy. I do have the pieces though, they are right here. The other little purple ones there too, but I don't really need it for the cheek area. And what I thought I would do is just put some glue, and I have like a darker pink for this, and then this area, maybe not in the center because there's a little hole in that one. So here's my little pink cheek. I'm gonna pop it there. And if you put it behind, the pink cheek area is bigger, so it's made to, you know, get glued behind so that it fills it in and doesn't fall through, so that's nice. But the little eye, so cute. Oh my gosh. Look at that. And then it's just gonna have the same pink in the background, and I think that's fine. But if you want to run that same dye through, the little eyeball dye, through like blue or color, you know, then you can pop this little piece that falls out, you can pop it in there. I'm okay with it being the way it is. So I do have this piece. I'm going to pop that back in and put my tape on there. Hopefully I have it the right way. That looks right. Okay, I'll put my little piece of tape and then add in his little black eye and pink cheek. Okay guys, they're so cute. And then on the little back portion, and we'll put this here. We'll put that little guy there. As far out or in as you would like. It's your little guy. I'm putting in this area. I mean, if I went to go look at a picture of these guys, maybe it comes off of here. Wherever you think you need to put it. Some people, you know, might want to put it on top. Might want to put it here, right? Like a little, wherever it is you think it should go. I believe the image on the packaging, because I get samples, so I don't have the package to show you. It does show it back in here like this, but I think it looks really cute up in front too. Or you cut two of them, one in the back and one, you know, whatever. Whatever you like. All right, I'm going to let that set up for a moment. Get rid of some of these other pieces that we don't need, and then we'll start putting our little scene together. Okay guys, so I cut tons of the little seaweed, and I just want to show you, it definitely has what I would consider a bottom part. I don't know. So if you look at them, it cuts two pieces at a time, and one little area is more rounded, and then it's like flat. Same thing with this one's a little more rounded and flat. So I'm just going to do this all willy-nilly, however I feel like, but down towards the bottom, I'm just going to start adding some of these in. Sorry, hopefully you can see what I'm doing. Maybe the other green color, just to bring that in. And it can be overlapped or not, or however. Or maybe there's a little coral here now. You know, try to make it fun. Maybe that guy. And maybe this little lower green one. And then a tall one. Something like that. Maybe we add in a little rock. Those are so cute. Maybe there's like a little rock here. Alright, maybe put a little more glue than I did, but that's okay. So, oopsie, exactly. And I did that too small. Go. And just, you know, have fun placing these, all these different things. So I did cut quite a few of some of these other little rocks. Maybe there. And I'm keeping it all down towards the bottom so it looks like that's the sea floor, but, you know, do whatever you like. Maybe some here, if I had that there. Maybe this little guy can be back here somewhere, that'd be good. To there. And maybe here. And let's get this guy. I'm just that there. Get this pink one back in. Something like that. Cute. If you want to tuck one of these little guys in, you know, wherever, you might want to do that as you're setting it up. That's cute. Okay. Kind of in there. Right? And I'll just continue just gluing some different things down. This guy's up here, and I would like to kind of hide at the bottom of his little things there. So maybe put it there so that it looks like maybe it came from somewhere else, right? Oh my gosh, we have little stars. How about a little sea star right here? Cute. All right. I mean, I have plenty of other things, so I think maybe I'm almost done with the seaweed. If I can stick this one behind this one piece, I will do that. Yes, there we go. Cute. And maybe a little pile of rocks here, because I have quite a few extra ones, so maybe this guy there. Put a little more glue. Maybe this one here. Yeah, that one right there. Just a little pile of rocks. Super cute. Alright, maybe we can put here one of these little guys. Oh my gosh, that is adorable. So let me put some dimensionals on the back of this little guy, and I'll be right back. Okay. So we have our little guy. Oh my goodness. So cute. Okay, and then I'm just going to put the word happy. I don't know if I'm going to do the background. We'll see. I probably will. But either way, I'll run this through some color that I would like for this guy, and then this one too. But I'll be right back. Okay guys, so we have our happy outline, and then I just went with the pink because, you know, I like pink. So there we go. I'm just gonna pop that down in here. Cute. So I'm just gonna go across and add in my lettering, just minding the spacing around them. Again, I had mentioned before, like if you had this on here, you can just kind of place that, and since the H is perfectly good, you know the rest of it's going to be popped in there real well, so like I can just take this, or again just eyeball each letter as you go along. And if you're not super trusting of that, you can pop it down and you can check. Don't glue this one to your other one. I mean, it looks great, right? So you can go across that way. Alright, I'll be back. Okay guys, there we go. And I'm just going to stick that on there. It's so cute. What a sweet card. I love seahorses. I feel like they're very special and super cute. If you're lucky enough to go to the Monterey Bay Aquarium, they have awesome seahorse and sea dragons. I hope they still have that. I was trying to think about it last time I went. Was it still there? Anyway, you can just check out all this info about them. Super cute. But there you go. Alright guys, well thanks for watching. You know what? I'm going to add one more thing. I'll be right back. What if we just add some of the new Capri Blue Color Essential Gems and make them look like little bubbles? That would be very cute. So I'll go with like the mid-size ones. And they can get smaller and smaller as they go up. So maybe one there, and then a smaller one. And I'll add the same thing coming off of this little guy. How cute. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Thank you so much, Spellbinders, for sending these items for review. I'll have images, have images coming up. I'll have the links in the description box. And I will see you all at the next one. Oh my goodness, I love it. Bye now.